The 6000 series is rack-mounted control equipment that delivers video content and graphics to Daktronics LED displays. Both the DI and the VP have a flexible form factor design with components that can be arranged in various configurations. In this training, we'll be looking at the calibration feature. What is calibration and why should I calibrate my display? Calibrating a display throughout its lifetime will result in consistent image quality and uniformity. All displays look great new, but the calibration procedures we will look at in this training ensures they look great throughout their lifetime. First up, we'll take a look at the calibration feature for module adjustment. On a new display, during installation, a technician may calibrate your display if single modules appear discolored on the display, such as brighter or darker on solid colors, or color may be off. Or on existing displays, after a module has been replaced, its intensity may not match other modules that make up the display. This will appear as one square of the display being visibly darker or lighter than the surrounding modules. With our groundbreaking calibration technology, the control system and module use a sophisticated algorithm to adjust the replacement module to match surrounding modules with the click of a button. It eliminates the patchwork effect of portions of the display being too bright or dim compared to others. From the dashboard, select the calibration icon in the user menu. Under Module Adjustments, select Start. Select the target output from the drop-down menu and select Start to open the Module Adjust tool. Note that any currently active content will stop playing at this time but will resume when you are completed. You now see a representation of the display modules on the left side. On the right are the adjustment tools. You may select individual modules or groups of modules for adjustment by highlighting them with the cursor. Deselect a mod by clicking it again. You can also deselect a region of previously selected mods by re-highlighting them, but the highlight cannot include any non-selected mods. The first option in the Adjustment Tools menu is the cursor. This is where you choose how the modules will be shown on the display itself during the adjustment. The outline shows just the chosen color pattern on all the modules, with the selected modules outlined in black. Next is Highlight, which shows the chosen color pattern only on the selected module. This is the only option available for Pro Pixel display calibration. Next is Corner, which shows the chosen color pattern on all modules with the selected module with a black chevron at each corner. And lastly, the None option shows no marks around the module during calibration. From the pattern list, choose a display output color and evaluate the need for manual module adjustment. Choose the module ID from the ID drop-down list to make it easier to identify modules that need adjustment. Top row, left column is identified with letters across the top and numbers down the left side. Unique ID, each module is identified with a unique letter and number corresponding to the row and column. Row, each module row is numbered. Column, each module column is numbered. ProLink address, each module's ProLink address is shown. None, no identifying information is shown on the modules. Adjust the selected modules using the white slider. This action uniformly adjusts the red, green, and blue values. You can click the plus sign or expand button to see the options for specific red, green, or blue values. Adjust as needed. Click the preview button to see how the adjusted modules look on the display. Look good? If so, click the Store button to save the new values. Click the Clear Preview to clear the recently made changes, all changes made since the last store. Click the Clear Stored to delete the previous stored module adjust values. If the display is camera calibrated, the camera calibration becomes the default. Otherwise, the settings revert to the factory default. Use caution with the Clear Stored command. This action removes all previously stored module adjust values from the entire display. If this action is taken, manual adjustments will be required to blend modules. Click the Clear Stored to clear the stored values, or click No to exit. The camera option allows a Daktronics certified technician to perform full display calibration adjustments using specialized camera equipment. Daktronics offers multiple options for field calibration. With module calibration, the operator moves the calibration crosshairs to the affected region and begins the calibration process, lightening or darkening the selected area until it matches the surrounding area. A display can also be calibrated using a high-resolution digital camera, image processing software, and pixel-level calibration tools to adjust the intensities of each individual LED. If you are interested in scheduling a calibration for your display, please contact Daktronics Professional Services. Auto blend is when the control system and module adjust the replacement module to match surrounding modules, achieving a common color space. From the calibration menu, select Auto Blending. Click Start under Auto Blending, then click Start under Session Options. If there is more than one output, you can select the output before clicking Start. Next, select the color you would like to calibrate from the drop-down and then select Preview. This will apply the settings to the modules. Wait for the progress bar to show complete. If you like the results, click Store, which will save the settings onto the modules and they will be retained over power cycles. If you do not like the results, click the Clear button, which will remove the previous settings from the modules. If at any time you want or need to set the display's auto blending calibration back to factory, click the Clear Stored button. Repeat these steps for each additional color you wish to calibrate. As module pixel pitch gets tight, it gets difficult to get the mechanical tolerances tight enough to make the edges always look perfect. The Edge Adjust feature is used to brighten or darken the seams between the panels. In this example, we see a light line in the bottom quadrant where the seams could use adjustment. I've placed a circle to help you locate where that adjustment is needed. The adjustment is made using the web UI and the feature Edge Adjust in the calibration area. This feature is available with firmware version 20 or higher. After logging into the Edge Adjust, the operator has the option to use the cursor to highlight, corner, or outline an area. This is an example of our line highlighted on a red test pattern. By simply drawing a line with my cursor in the location of the seam that needs adjusting, I can highlight the area and make the necessary adjustments and previewing, then selecting Store to complete. Here's our red test screen again with all the seams adjusted, looking good. And remember our monkey friend? He's now crisp and sharp with no seams showing. Daktronics customers wanting more information on the 6000 series may search our online knowledge base at www.daktronics.com/support. In the search bar, enter 6000 plus the feature you want more information on and click the search button.